Good Lord. Hey guys, TerrorPUP here, and welcome to my home lab office, or office where I used to work. Right now, kind of see an image of me over here. Right now I'm redoing the rack. Yeah, the junk closet over there is really dirty, but no, so a couple days ago, if you look in the back, I bought some new shelves. Here, let me see if I can stand up and not fall over. Been home for a month and a half now, doing a lot better, but anyway. So I bought these little 6-inch racks because I wanted to give some stuff some air. And when I started to work on it, I noticed this is actually clean now, but it was dusty as hell. I mean, yeah, I haven't been home because of, being sick and all that, but still. And I just decided, okay, it is time to redo the home lab. So that's what today's video is about. I know for some of you guys with OCD, it is very hard to see this. Hey, Rose. She's always got one eye open on me. Sometimes I wonder what she's thinking. That's why I call this place the doghouse, because, me being TerrorPUP and I got the 2 beagles. But anyway, yeah, the place is a freaking mess. Like, this is stuff for projects that I've told you guys that I'm about to work on. Just need a couple more things. This is stuff that was in the rack. Some rack stud screws that, believe it or not, they are working out pretty good. There's the Zima board ones, and yes, if I can find it, yes, I'm still running PF Sense, okay, 2.71 or 2, I think it's 272 on that, and it works pretty well. That's the 2 gig model. I know they just came out with their 2 board. I'm not going to buy one because I'm actually going to get a Zima blade. I know a lot of people keep telling me it's got DDR3, but I want something I can upgrade. I think if they could figure out a way, hell, even using like the Orange Pi eMMC so that you could just do some type of upgrades. And I don't know, that silver case looks more like a Model 1. I really love the aesthetics of the first Zima board. And this is a reminder for you guys. So I buy these Auric cases, and I'm using inland drives just because the eMMC. But anyway, so yeah, I bought new shelves. I wanted to get all my USB drives that are hooked up to the NAS their own space, and then the dust was just so bad. So I started yanking wires yesterday, and I'm going to continue working on this as much as I can. I only have the 1 router hooked up and 1 wireless right now, just because I got my kids with me this weekend, or kid, and it's unfair for them not to have internet. So, but anyway, that's what's going on with me. I am still working on videos. I posted a poll. I hope you guys do answer it. And from now until I find something new, I am going to be doing videos full time. So hopefully every other day I will be releasing videos while I'm working for work and looking for work. There's Ugly Scale Press. Believe it or not, it's running on a Libra Computer Renegade. That's this case is for Raspberry Pi 3. That's the other thing I'm going to be doing on my page. You're going to start seeing more formats and stuff like that. But anyway, I just figure I'd share what's going on. My office is really a mess, but hey, I can honestly say that I got rid of a lot of dust, which for someone like me, I'm actually allergic to dust. So my eyes have not been watering as bad. But anyway, this is probably the most quiet my office has been in a long time because there's no fan going on. And I am kind of moving slow. I can walk. I still lean a little bit, but my vision's back. That's why we're going to go back and start doing videos again. And I do want to thank everybody for the well wishes while I was down and out. I'm a tough old bird, or tough old pup. And yeah. And then just to show you guys, I am a big geek. You know, I really am into Godzilla. Both of them are covered up by my pork pies, Star Trek, and Doctor Who, and things like that. But anyway, that's going to do it for this video. Next video should come out Wednesday. But until then, this is TerrorPUP wishing everybody peace and well wishes. Thank you guys again for all the good karma. Peace.